Give me your hand and I'll give you mine. Follow me and my bottle of wine, and we'll dance 'neath the stars, dance 'neath the stars. Haven't got a care, breathing country air, holding hands with you. This is a memory we'll share. Tell me secrets and tell me your dreams. I'll tell stories of my various schemes. I love clowning around, clowning around. I have my whole life long. I'll keep it going on every day. I make someone laugh so hard that they cry out tears and their stomachs scarred. As I dance with you, I'll make you laugh too, and you'll finally see I make you happy. This is a fantasy, it's true. Let us giggle and look at the lake. Hope I'll see your smile ain't fake. Life is a dream, life is a dream. Nothing can go wrong, nothing can go wrong. We'll catch frogs and sit on logs, and our night will last long. Every day I make someone laugh so hard that they cry out tears and their stomachs scarred. As I
Wish I had a handsaw right now.
You mean a chainsaw?
Yeah, a chainsaw. Getting tired. But these Japanese handsaws are pretty awesome compared with the American ones. Saw pretty quickly.
日本のノコギリの刃はアメリカのノコギリの刃に比べるとよく切れます。ですので、刃の替えを日本から持ってきて、使っています。
Should be a straight cut. Alright, let's put this thing in. Attach it to the beam. So this is gonna come out more, and then it's gonna go in. I guess this is as far as you can go. So, it's a lot lighter now after I took off those two images. You gotta bring it. Roll it. Stands pretty good. So, made a little bit of progress here working on the cabin. I put in this door. This door here is going to go to the sauna. I built this door with 2x6s, laminated together with glue, wood glue. Made this little thing from birch pieces. Put some hinges on it, and you can go right out into the sauna that I'm gonna build. So put the frames in, put the wall in here. We got this window here in, knee-high window. So this area here is gonna be probably where you put your shoes. And put this door in, which was a real tough job. I had to do it again and again. It wasn't right. When you put a door in, when you frame a door in, it's very difficult. So you have to take many things into consideration. Still, it's not right. These headers here are a little bit too, they're a little bit out of level. So it's putting pressure on the top part of this corner of the door, so it makes the door a little bit tight to open and to close. So I have to fix that maybe later. We put these posts in here. That was a lot of work. So I got 2 posts. Now, why in the world would I have 2 posts in the center of this cabin? I mean, that's a pretty good question to ask. This post here is going to be for supporting the beam that we make for the loft joists, which are running this way, as you can see up here. And also this post here is going to support the same beam. But this post is also going to support the roof ridge pole, which is going to connect this post is going to connect to this post, which is going to connect to this post. 3 posts. I'm going to have another post out on the balcony. 4 posts. And on top of these posts, there's going to be an extension post. It's going to lay on top of the ridge pole. It's going to form the roof of this structure. So that's the reason why we have 2 posts. This is going to be for the loft and roof support. This is going to be for loft support only. This log here. It's kind of not a good idea to have 2 posts because it really eats up the space, but I think it turned out all right. You know, it's not too bad. Getting up here on the top of the ladder and like pounding in these loft joists, it's a lot of work. It's very difficult because you're way up high, way off the ground, and it's heavy material you're lifting above your head. So a little bit challenging. Right here, I'm thinking I'm going to build the access point, the stairwell or ladder to go to the loft. So it's going to start from here and be a 2-foot step, and just step up, up to where you're flush with the loft, and you enter the loft from this side. So it's 10 feet of 2 feet steps. They're gonna go in. So that's my idea on the stairs. Haven't figured out if it's just gonna be like a wall type stairs with blocks, or if it's gonna be like a standard stairwell type design. I don't know. We'll see. But definitely you want a railing on this side, because when you're coming down the stairs, you don't want to just fall out, you know, for safety. put a railing on that side. I'm gonna put a railing on the balcony, which I'm gonna build up here. I'm gonna put a railing on the deck. I'm gonna rail it all out with aspen poles. So that's the plan so far, and that's the progress.
浴室サウナのドアを作りました。 2×6 インチの木材を4つ接着剤でくっつけています。取っ手は白樺の枝です。それから玄関のドアを取り付けました。この取り付けるのに半日以上かかりました。なんでかというと、ドアを入れたのはいいんですけれども、こう閉めるときにですね、この右上のところが引っかかって入らなかったということですね。で、これが何でかっていうのを、突き止めるのに時間かかってですね、試行錯誤しました。この右上の多分ヘッダーが2ミリぐらい、1ミリ2ミリぐらい下がってしまっていたのと、この、既製品ですよね。要は既製のドアをこう取り付けるのにどうやってするのかなということで、最初こう取り付け方を間違っていたりとかしてですね、何度もドアを外したり入れたり、この壁のフレームを倒して、やり直しをしたりということで、大変でした。はい。で、この上のところは、ロフトになります。で、2本柱がありますね。この、縦に3本で、向こう側の、デッキの方に4本目を立てて、この上にビーム、なんて言うんでしょう、横にこのログの上に横に1本渡すということですね。はい、で、ロフトに行くのにここに階段をつける予定ではあります。I was hoping that I could see the mother tree was spreading the seeds, but I couldn't find her around our land. We went to the library. When we were leaving the building, I noticed that seeds was flying, so I went to look for her, and she was there. June 23rd, Thursday here in Alaska. It's around 10 o'clock in the evening. We had a rain and cloudy days last week or this week, and now it's finally clear up and we're getting a nice sunset view here. There's so many wildflowers blooming back our trail.23日木曜日です。今夜の10時頃です。ここのところ曇りと雨で、時々晴れ間が見えてた天気なんですが、やっとちょっと空が晴れてきて、今すごく綺麗な日没前の夕焼けです。